So as I said, there were 3 deficiencies of the microscope system, which I in the meantime could cure. So just to repeat, there was one issue navigating the object to be observed. The second one was the light intensity at high magnification. And the third issue that I saw was how to get a decent picture out of the microscope. So here I would like to present you the solution that I have now. What we are looking at online is this 8286. As you remember, I also said that the image was inverted when looking through the lens and the objective, but also then taking picture with a mobile phone, with the iPhone for example. So this has been now all changed with this camera. It's an HD 16 megapixel camera which really nicely fits. There's an adapter, it's a C-mount adapter which I use here, and it has a lot of functions. I can also have a direct image out through HDMI. I have a direct connector to the PC and I can take nice pictures. The second issue was the light source. So just to show you here online, I have bought a very strong LED light. A couple of guys said in the chat that maybe having 2 or 3 would help. I have only 1 so far. Let's see if this works enough. Definitely I'm very happy now. The last point which I said was the navigating part. Here you see I have bought a very cheap, so I was super surprised, a very cheap table, objective table device. So you see I'm moving with a screw here directly to the, I'm navigating to the part I want to see. The picture also changes, so you can really do it on a very slow fashion. You have to get used to it a little bit. There's also some other frame boundaries, like the maximum length of a CPU you can see, but actually I'm super happy with that because it gives a lot of stability to the system, and then using such a nice setup in total makes now a lot of sense. So let's explore some other CPUs. As I have here, I have a Motorola 86020, I have a 386, and I'm gonna do some more pictures and videos and show them online. Thanks for watching.